Hi guys, welcome back to the Property King. For today's episode, we're going to discuss the closing costs as a buyer of real estate property. Okay, so when you buy property here in the Philippines, of course, there will be taxes that you need to pay, okay, and also the registration fees in order to transfer the title from the name of the seller, the owner, to your name as the buyer. So what are those taxes? Okay, let's start with the documentary stamp tax, or what we call the DST. So the DST is actually 1.5% of either the selling price or the fair market value, whichever is higher. Okay, so that's number one. Number two is the transfer tax. So again, this is based on the fair market value or the selling price, again, whichever is higher. And this time, it's 0.5%. So earlier, DST is 1.5, okay, and the transfer tax is 0.5, so we're now at 2%. So the third thing that you need to take care of as a buyer is the registration fee. And normally, it's around 0.25%, again, based on the selling price or the zonal value or the fair market value, whichever is higher. Okay, so earlier it's 2%, you add the 0.25%, it's now 2.25%. Finally, there might be some, incidental or miscellaneous expenses, like the legal fees, the notarial fees, if you need to do some due diligence to make sure that the title is really clean, it has no encumbrances, it's really an authentic title, and the person that you're talking to, the owner, the seller, is really the authentic holder of the title, okay, with no other, liens on the title, there's no issues whatsoever, it's clean, okay? So sometimes, especially for large properties, some buyers would undertake to hire the services of a realtor or in some cases, a law firm, or a property expert that specializes in due diligence. So you need to factor that in as well if you're looking to buy property. So those are the expenses or the closing costs as a real estate buyer. So that sums up our episode for today. If you like the content, please smash that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Also hit that bell notification so each time we upload a new episode, you're updated. You know what's hot and what's not. And if you want to follow our social media accounts, it's down in the description below. We have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, also TikTok. And finally, if you want to book a property consultation with me for free, you just have to send me an email at rk@propertyking.ph and check out our website at www.propertyking.ph. Again, this is RK from Property King. And remember, let's all grow wealthy together. Goodbye.